Here is how to turn on floating notification on Samsung phone. Do you want to chat or check messages without switching or opening the apps on your Samsung phone? So without any further delay, let's move on. First, go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on notifications. Then tap advanced settings from the below. In the middle, you will see the floating notifications options. Tap on it. Here you will see two styles for floating notifications, like bubbles and smart pop-up. Let's tap on bubbles and see how it will show. And then check the style of the smart pop-up view. You will see the symbolic view in the middle. Now choose as you like. From here, you can turn off the floating notifications as well. To do that, simply tap on off. That's it. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any queries, write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.